Here we go. You are looking at the first official look at the One UI 6.0. Yes, Samsung is indeed bringing the biggest design change. Visually compared to the last few generations, this might just be the biggest change to date. This was actually posted directly by Samsung Germany. It was an accidental announcement, so the original article is now deleted. According to Samsung Germany announcement, the One UI 6.0 comes in a decidedly simple look, with a lot of UI element being modernized and decluttered. This is quite evident when you look at the brand new redesigned Quick Panel. This is how the Quick Panel will look on One UI 6.0 when you are going to expand it all the way down. With the new One UI 6.0 Quick Panel, things are looking even more 100 friendly than before. We have everything expanding all the way down to the bottom of the screen. You can see with the brightness toggle, along with some more controls underneath like dark mode toggle or eye comfort shield. I am pretty sure you should be able to edit these functions. As for the quick toggles, you can see those are also very expanded with their own section, with the main double UIFI and Bluetooth toggle all the way on the top. Once again, you should be able to edit the look of the quick toggles in this box here. Depending on how many you have there, this should expand accordingly. I gotta say, looks clean and more refined, which I kind of like, but again, definitely let me know what your thoughts about this. Now, as for the notification panel, this is how it's gonna looks, which is quite a bit similar to previous generation, until you expand it all the way down. Then we get this kind of look. This implementation is nice because it keeps that One UI element alive. Now, as mentioned before, it was an accidental release, so they have basically deleted the article and nothing has been mentioned so far yet. But hopefully we are gonna see the official announcement very soon, actually in just a few days, with Galaxy S23 series being to the first one to receive this big update based on Android 14. This will, of course, be the first beta release until we see the public release in a few weeks from Galaxy S20 series. The update will move on to more Samsung device like the S22 lineup, Galaxy Z series, and of course a few Galaxy S series models. Sadly, the Galaxy S20 lineup won't be receiving this latest update. So from S21 series all the way to supported with this brand new version. So if you like video, so please share, like, subscribe.